For this baby rest, I use Impeccable number 4, color yellow. It's very beautiful. And I use this Bernat Soft Baby white number 4 too. And it have to be to number 4 because the kind of stitch that I make. Scissors, this hook 375 millimeters, and I'm start make with the white. I'm start make 33 chains for my base, and then start like this. It's always start with this kind of little lasso, and I'm start to pull and make my chains. 33. I have my 33 chains, and make a yarn over, count 1, 2, and the number 3 I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochets in the same space. That's 3 double crochets for started, and for the next I jump 1, 2 chains, and the next chain I make a single crochet, yarn over, jump 2, 1, 2, and the third chain I make 5 double crochets, 2, 3, in same space, 4, 5, just like this. Jump 2 chains, 1, 2, and the third single crochet, and now do the same until finish right here. I have to finish right here with three double crochets, the same to here. Okay, I'm finished this round with 4 shells inside, then 3 in each corner. Now for my next round, my second one, I put my yellow color right here. I'm finished with 3 double crochets, the same when I'm started, and I make 3 chains right here. I cut the yarn right here, my white one, and I make a noodle right here, and I hide the walls. I make chain 3, 1, 2, then 3, yarn over. I need to hide the 2 colors right here. I'm finished with 3 double crochets. I'm started make 1 double crochet, and I finish, yarn over, another double crochet, and I finish. And remember, I have half double crochet here. I make another double crochet, and I finish. And the next shell, I have 5 double crochets. I make these 2, and I finish the other one, 2. And now I have, look, now I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochets. Then I pull all together, and 1, 2 chains. Now I'm not finished this shell, the first one, and the third double crochet here I make single crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over, and the next 2 double crochets I am started again with 1 double crochet and not finish, another double crochet and not finish, and the next single crochet I make the third one, fourth, then 5. It's very easy stitch. They call this stitch interlocking shell. It's very beautiful and easy to make. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm finished all together. Chain 2, 1, 2, and this is the pattern. It's very beautiful. Okay, this is my last shell that I make here. Look how beautiful this look. In my last shell I finish my 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 together, and I'm still have a double crochet here in the corner. I finish this 5 and make chain 2, and in the last double crochet I make a single crochet. Okay, and this is the second round. For the third round we repeat the white, the first one, and I change the color. I put my color white, and I cut the yellow. I make like a little. Okay. Now for my third round I make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and in the same single crochet right here in the corner I make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. If I repeat my first round, is this one, 3 double crochets, single crochet, 5 double crochets. Now my single crochet is gonna be in this union right here. I have two chains, and finish this 5 right here, and 2 more chains. When I'm finished this 5 together right here, I make my single crochet, yarn over, and in the single crochet right here I jump the 2 chains, and the single crochet right here I make my 5 double crochets, 3, 4, 5. See, now the design looks better. And here in this union I make the single crochet right here, and I still do the same until I have 18 rounds. Okay, now I'm finished my 18 rounds. It's 8 rounds with white and 8 rounds with yellow, and now here I make 2 chains for this place, and I make inside the 2 chains I make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in this place when the unit 5 double crochets, and 1 in the next chains, 1 and a half double crochet, and I'll do this for 3 rounds. Make 1 double crochet, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 in each space, and we make 3 rounds of single crochets. Okay, I have two rounds of single crochets, but in my last round, my third round, I make 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I'm going back I move my work, and I'm going back with single crochets for each chain. And when I come here, I make single crochets. When I came here, I make 20 chains and go back with single crochets like this. I have this part finished with my third round of single crochets, and I have 2 more single crochets, and in this one before finish, I make the 20 chains. When I come back with 20 single crochets, I make a slide stitch and my last single crochet right here, and gonna be look the same of this. I'm finished here with slide stitch and my last single crochet, and now I cut the yarn right here. Now we need 2 pieces the same of this. And now for the next piece that I make is gonna start with yellow. Now I have my 10 double crochets, and I make another round, chain 2 with double crochets, 10 double crochets again. I make 3 rounds with 10 double crochets. For my next round, I increase with another double crochet in my first 3 chains. The same place. Oh God, with this. And I make my double crochets. When I'm finished right here, I make my last double crochet and another double crochet in the same. Then I have 12 double crochets when I'm finished this. I have here 12 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. See, I make 2 in the end, 2 in the beginning, 2 in the end, and I chain 2, and I'm start make 1 round of double crochet over double crochet. This round is the same 12 double crochets. My next round, chain 2, and it's gonna be the same of my round 4. It's another increase right here in the beginning and the end too. Then this is round, okay, 1 2 3 4, increase 1 without increase, and number 1 2 3 4 5 6 is gonna be the same than 4, and 7 is gonna be the same than 5. And this one we need to have 14 double crochet. I make round number 7 with 14 double crochets, no increases. Then now I make 6 more rounds the same, double crochet over double crochet, 14 double crochets, and each round we make 6 more rounds the same. Ahora que terminé esta pieza, ven, okay. I'm finished this piece with 14 double crochets right here. I make another one the same. They have to be the same. They need to be the same. 2 of these and 2 of these. When I have my 4 pieces already, I'm gonna start with my sewing needle right here. I put this piece right here, my 14 double crochets going down, and this is one of the sides for the little dress, and I'm gonna start here sewing with yellow. And I'm going up, okay. When I come sewing right here, we finish in this yellow line right here, see, right here, and this one, and it's okay because right here we make something else, and when I put the other one, they have to stay in the same line, starting right here in the bottom and coming right here and finish in the yellow line, see, starting here in the bottom and coming right here, finishing the same for look like this. I have my 4 parts sewing. It looks like this, a beautiful dress. Then now for the finish, I'm gonna start here in one of the parts, one of these parts, and I make 1 single crochet in each chain that I found, starting right here on the top, 1 chain, and I'm going down with 1 single crochet, and I'm come right here and going right here and finish here on the other side. And now with this detail on the side for the arm, I'm finished this beautiful little dress for the baby. I wish you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and see you next time.